Stop throwing down trash where black people live, work, and play. This is really important. Really important. See, trash is all around us. We are being conditioned to think of ourselves as trash. What do you do with trash? You compact it and then send it to the incinerator. Is that correct? There was a big ad in the Washington Times newspaper, Sunday, November the 20th, 1994. A full-page ad. That's the conservative newspaper in Washington, D.C. Most black people don't read it. Full-page ad, young black man, pants cut off, dark brown skin, shoes untied. Guess what the full-page ad was about? Had in big print, life is precious, pass it on. We need thus and so number of corneas, transplants. We need thus and so number of heart and lungs, thus and so number of livers in the thousands. Do you all understand? I used to say 10 years ago they were going to have us on a spare parts farm. Do you all understand? I'm going to call you all genetically inferior in terms of intelligence, but I can use your liver. I can use your cornea. I can use your heart and lungs. I can use your... Do you understand? Fresh. Just shop. Do you all understand? Get in code. Stop fighting one another. Stop killing one another. Stop making believe that white supremacy does not exist. Stop making black children think that as children, they can be adequate mothers and fathers. This is very important. Everybody ought to clap, because this is not a put down of somebody who had children when they were a teenager. You weren't doing your own thing. White supremacy said, I can make you as a child want to have sex. How can I do it? Take the father out of the home and exhaust the mother. So is no emotional support coming no matter what she wants to do. So children who are longing for lap time and can't get it will find somebody under the porch who's also longing for lap time. I tell the children, any child that is thinking about sexual intercourse is simply saying, I want my mama. See, I want to be held. This is a normal human desire. But white supremacy, whether we start in formal slavery or not, say, you're not going to have no mother and father sitting still holding you on lap. I'm breaking all of that up. I'm shipping mother there and father there. We've got variation on the theme. Father in prison, mother in the project. Variation on the theme. So we have to know this is game plan number 20651AK. What's our response? Now hold on to your chair because you're not going to like what I'm going to say. This is war. This is not what you like best, what you want me to say. I'm saying what I think I understand. under the conditions of white supremacy. All people who are trying to make soldiers in order to war against white supremacy and produce justice so we can have peace on the planet. No black lady have children before 30. I know she's crazy. Black men 35. Do you all hear me? If I thought you were ready for advanced soldiering, I'd say no sex until then. Like a child told me, I said that in a high school, and this child said, "I'm sorry, Dr. Welsing. When it hits you, you gotta do it." So I said, "Sweetheart, are you ever on the bus going home from school?" "Yeah." I said, "Do you ever maybe sometimes it has hit you, I need to urinate?" Or move your bowels. And you talk to those muscles. And you say, "Peace be still." Do you understand? Any behavior can be brought under control. We have a cosmic purpose in being here. It's not to just do anything. And I tell the little children, look, don't feel bad. Don't feel bad if you've had a child. Blame me. Why do I say blame me? Because we allow to go on in front of children. They can't turn on the TV without sex, movie sex. So I tell the little children, we are in a confused society. A society that is smart, that has no wisdom. Just take the black people away and look at what the white people are doing with themselves. If you don't throw anything in the face of children other than sex, and then you say, well, why are they having sex? Because that's what you're teaching them to do. And I say it comes out of a society that actually degrades itself. Out of the white supremacy system and culture comes the only real pornography on the planet. People of color initially worship the act of self-reproduction. But if you don't like the way you look, you will curse God and curse sex. Maximally degraded. Maximally degraded. And so we have to help the children understand it's problems. We're going to take responsibility as the older people, but we want you to understand. Because as a child, you cannot take care of a child for 25 years. It takes 25 years to stand a soldier on his or her feet so they can deal with the stress of war. Do you all understand me? We should say by the year 2000, we're not going to have any black children having children. We are all going to be in the business of producing people who will ensure that justice is brought to the planet. Somebody asked me last night, parents group, well, what about the violence? How many people have seen a teenager yell at a child on a bus? Come over here. You black so-and-so, get over here. You see, that child is not bad, she's overwhelmed. Completely overwhelmed. Do you all understand? If you yell at a child Or the father could be overwhelmed. 16-year-old male finds out he's impregnated somebody. Now you're going to have to help me take care of this baby. He's overwhelmed. Do you all understand? See, we've got to start thinking. We think these people are playing with us. You know, Mensa, the society for the people who are supposed to have the highest level of intelligence, came out in the newspaper last week. They had put in one of their newsletters, homeless people should be exterminated. This is in the New York Times. Homeless people should be exterminated, and also other people with defects. That's us. The melanin defect. They just want an excuse. See, look at them. That's why we can't turn on the TV without seeing a young black man's face who is supposed to have committed a crime.